Today's video is about the future of work, flexibility, balance and innovation. Enjoy. Well, so everyone's copying TikTok right now, now LinkedIn as well. So this is a video, not a post. Welcome to remote work from Marseille. So I've already posted a couple of times where remote work is great. One of the reasons, it allows you to just go to another city, see something else, enjoy a nice view, and maybe tonight, pasties. And when it comes to more videos on LinkedIn, I will come back to that. So I came across a post the other day of someone saying that he's going to force his employees to go back to office. And I mean, if you want to do this, then I hope you're prepared to pay more, because it's not just the office that costs space, but all the best people, they will leave. Remote work has truly globalized the workforce. Insisting on return to office will lead your best people to go away, find someone who allows them to work remotely. Modern teams are evolving. It is no longer about who owns what, but rather what creates value. The important mind shift here is to move away from fixed roles towards a common goal for the whole team. This trend is specifically important for cross-functional teams, where the importance lies in to make sure that no one thinks that someone else is stepping on their territory, taking over their job, but rather that a collaborative approach can solve problems together towards that common goal. Moving from ownership to value requires trust, teamwork and collaboration. What value-based approaches have you tried in your company? Post below. I don't know how many times I've seen posts on LinkedIn talking about how you express yourself with leadership, or how you can speak more confident and something like that. And it always ends up just being, don't say sorry. I mean, I get the point a little bit. You shouldn't always say sorry all the time. But honestly, if you annoy people, if you are late, if you make a mistake, you have to stand up to it and you have to say sorry. Saying sorry doesn't mean that you're not confident. It just shows that you're a decent person. You can show respect to others.